Hey, it's Noel here, and in this video we are going to look at creating your free account with GetResponse, which is the email marketing software that I have been using since 2013 to run all my email marketing campaigns. You can power all your opt-in websites, you can do webinars, you can do so much different things with it, but it's very effective for automating your email marketing. And that's exactly what we're going to be looking at in the subsequent videos. Building email marketing campaigns but automating them so that these systems will do all the work for you but without you actually being at your desk every day physically logging in and doing the work. Now, before we can get all the benefits of all this automation, what we need to do is set up your free account, okay? So at present, GetResponse comes with a 30-day free account, which is awesome. You can see here over on the right hand side, you get unlimited email marketing. You can have up to 1,000 contacts. You can create landing pages. There's marketing automation, which is really cool. This is what I use a lot. You can actually run webinars. You can have your own opt-in forms. There's an awful lot of analytics, which GetResponse is fantastic for. This is like seeing how many people open your emails, how many people click the links in your emails, and then there's an awful lot of extra stuff as well. So what I want you to do is, somewhere below this video, I will have a link that you can come to this page and set up your free account. So you're going to want to put in your name here, then you're going to want to put in your email address, okay? Now once you have that done, put in your password and click the yellow Create Account button. What will happen next is GetResponse will walk you through an onboarding sequence where they will help you verify your account, which is very important. Basically to send a verification email to the email address you put in here. So make sure it's the one you want to use for your account, and then you'll be able to actually come on into the dashboard page. Now when inside the dashboard page, it's going to look something like this, okay? Now there will be lots of different widgets probably on your page because it will be a new account, but you know, this is pretty much what's waiting for you on the inside. Now once you have verified your account, you've unlocked it, you're ready to rock and roll, the very first thing I want you to do is to come on up here to the top right hand corner where you can go into the My Account area, okay? So click on My Account, and then from the drop down menu I want you to click on Manage Account. You see it here? So I want you to click on Manage Account. Now from this page you can manage everything to do with your GetResponse account, okay? You can change your password, you can do lots of different things, but what we want to look at is email addresses, okay? So you're going to come over here and click on email addresses. Now in this area, I want you to set up your sender email address. So you can see down here, I have various different emails set up that I can send emails from. And what you notice about these are, they are not my Gmail account. They are not a Yahoo account. They are not a Hotmail account. It's the email accounts from my domain name. And this is something you are going to want to do, okay? Set up a professional email address for your company, for your website. It helps a lot with getting your emails delivered, getting them inboxed, and of course the more that are delivered and inboxed, the more opens you will get, the more opens you will get, the more clicks you will get, and the more clicks you get, the higher the return on your email marketing campaigns. So you will simply come along up here, click on Add Email. You will put in the sender name, okay? So whatever your name is, so say for example, Joe Blogs, okay? And for example, if your email address was joe@joeblogs.com, you would add this email address. Again, GetResponse will walk you through a process of authenticating this email address, confirming it, just like when you sign up with any other website. That's just to make sure that this email address has permission to send emails, okay? So when they send emails in GetResponse from Joe Blogs, from joe@joeblogs.com, they know everything is above board, everything is legal, and you can actually have permission to use this email address, which of course you will, because you will own it, okay? So that is the second thing that I highly recommend in this video. Once you've set up your account, is right away set up a professional sender email address. okay, and verify everything as you go, as GetResponse walks you through the process. Now, if you have any issues with this, I'm going to show you something very important. On every page in GetResponse, you can access help, okay? So, for example, you see this icon up here, it's called help. You click on this. You can email them. I would not recommend that. It takes a few days to get a reply. What I would recommend is you go on live chat. You might be waiting 2 or 3 minutes. You can talk to a real human, get real answers and real help. Or if you want an instant answer, what you may do is open up the health center like this. Okay, so we're opening it up. It opens up in a new tab and you can search. Okay, so say for example, I'm going to put in from email. Okay, so the sender from email address. I'm clicking enter to search, and there's lots of different articles that we can actually look at to find the answer to our questions. So if you're ever stuck with something, I would always recommend you hit the little help icon, either go on live chat or click the help center and then do a quick search, because GetResponse are around since I think the late 90s, so it's well over 20 years at this stage, and you will find a lot of your questions are already answered. Okay, so what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to leave it here in this video, and we are going to continue on in the next video. So I'm going to leave it here for now, and I'll speak to you in the next video.